Good morning, students. Welcome to all of you in online class. Students, as you know that your syllabus has been completed and there is a need of revision. So, in a revision session, today I will discuss about the poem Wind. Students, this poem is composed by Subramania Bharti. First of all, we will discuss about the theme of this poem. What is said by this poem? The theme will be such type. The message conveyed through the poem Wind is that we should never give up when there are obstacle and hardship in life. We should face those obstacles with strong willpower, like poet befriend with the wind so that it could not harm the poet in any way. So students, this was the theme of this poem. Now we will discuss about the summary. What is the summary of this poem? The summary of this poem will be the first part of the poem describe the action of the wind. The poet asks the wind to come softly. He requests the wind not to break the shutter of the window, not to scatter the paper and throw down the books from the shelf. But the window, but the wind throws the books and tears the paper. The poet says that the wind makes a mockery of weakling. It brings and even weak hurts. It crushes everything that is weak. The poet advises us to be strong, only then can we save ourselves from the wind. We should build a strong homes with firm doors. Our bodies and heart should also be strong. It is the way of the wind, it is way of the word to kick the weak and to be friend with the strong. The wind blows out the weak fires but makes the strong fire roar and flourish. Such type, the poem conveys the idea that nobody cares for the weak, even the wind is the on the side of strong people. We must make ourselves strong to become successful and overcome the challenges in the life. So, students, that was the summary of the poem. Now we explain the poem. The poet said, Wind, come sharply, don't break the shutter of the window. Don't scatter the paper, don't throw down the books on the shelf. The poet was the poet was in a fresh mood and he saw that the wind is blowing. Then he said, the wind, come softly, come slowly, and don't break the shutter of the window, don't scatter the paper, don't tear the paper, and don't throw the book from the shelf. There was many books were on the shelf, so the poet said that don't throw them down, don't throw down the books from the shelf. And there, look what you did. You threw them all down. You tore the pages of the books. You brought rain again. You are very clever at poking fun at weakling. The poet said, or you can say, the poet complained to the wind, look here, you have thrown down all the things. You have torn the pages of the books. You brought the rain again. Once time, you are very clever and you are very naughty. You are poking fun, you are making fun of the weak person or weak things. Frail, crumbling houses, crumbling doors, crumbling rafter, crumbling wood, crumbling bodies, crumbling lives, crumbling hearts. You have disturbed everything. You have destroyed many things. You have disturbed houses. You have crumbling doors. You have crumbling rafters, wood, bodies, and lives, even the heart of the people. The wind goes, winnows, and crushes them all. He would not do what you tell him. So, come, let's should build a strong home. Let's joint the door firmly. Practice to form the body, make the heart state fine. Then poet said to the people, the poet want to give you a message. You should make your house firm. You should make your house strong, and you have to uh, build a strong home and joint a strong door firmly. You have to be practiced to become a firm body, and you have your heart should be steadfast. In the last four line, last line the poet want to say, do this and the wind will be friend of us. The poet said that if you are brave, if you are gallant, the wind will be friend of you. The wind blows out weak fires, he make a strong fire roar and flourish. His friendship is good, we praise him every day. In the last four lines, the poet want to say that the wind make its friend to the strong people or strong thing. If you are weak, it will not be your friend, it will destroy you, it will make fun of you. So, the wind be a friend of strong fire, not a weak fire. It blow out the weak fire but become the friend of strong fire roar, and it flourishes the fire also. This is the quality of wind. It become the friend of good person, strong thing, and so we should praise every day to the wind. So, students, this was the explanation of the poem The Wind. That was composed by Subramanya Bharti. So, students, listen carefully, watch this video, listen again and again. It will be clear your topic. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of you.